Finding recurring clients with one-time projects might sound counterintuitive at first, but with the right approach, it's absolutely possible. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how to turn a single job into a lasting client relationship. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to share an exclusive offer that will help you take action right away. First things first, you need to set up your one-time projects in a way that opens the door to future work. Think about the bigger picture. When you're working on a project, always think about what additional needs the client might have. You don't want to just complete the job, you want to set yourself up for the next one. Start by offering extra value during your initial interaction. Let the client know about additional services they may need down the line. For example, if you're designing a website for them, let them know about ongoing SEO or maintenance packages you offer. Even if they don't take you up on it right away, you've planted the seed. Another way to create a path to recurring clients with one-time projects is by positioning yourself as an expert. Clients are more likely to return to someone they trust. So during the project, make sure you're actively educating your client. Offer insights that go beyond the scope of the project. This shows them that you're not just there to get the job done, you're there to solve their problems. And that positions you as someone they'll want to keep around for future projects. Now, this next part is key. Always leave your clients with a reason to stay in touch. Don't let the project be the end of the relationship. At the end of the job, offer to check in periodically, send them updates, or ask if they need help with any other challenges they might be facing. Offer them a discount on your services if they book future work in advance, or even a special rate for returning clients. This keeps you at the top of their mind and makes them feel valued. Let's talk about follow-up. Once the project is complete, don't just walk away. Send a friendly follow-up message asking for feedback and how things are going. This not only shows that you care about the quality of your work, but also keeps the door open for future opportunities. If they don't need your services right now, you can still nurture the relationship by sharing helpful content or insights with them. Another technique is using your project to create testimonials or case studies that will attract future clients. When your clients see that you're actively promoting your past work, it adds credibility to your skills and encourages them to think of you for future needs. You can also offer them a discounted rate if they refer you to others or if they share your project as part of a case study on your site or social media. This works in two ways. It promotes your services and it gives your client an incentive to return. The key takeaway from this video is to always be thinking beyond the one-time project. Every job is an opportunity to start a relationship that could turn into future work. Offer value, educate your client, and make it easy for them to keep coming back. And don't forget to follow up. Lastly, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software linked in the description below. This software is exactly what you need to help you automate and streamline your processes as you work towards building recurring relationships with clients. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check it out. To wrap it up, set up your projects to hint at future work, educate your client, follow up after the project, and offer special incentives for returning clients. With this approach, you'll be able to find recurring clients with one-time projects.